Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show how to do perfect zoom in from CAPCUT.
Girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a certified freak. 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy.
First we will open CAPCUT. Create new project and then select File. Format 916. Select which part do you want. I will add next video there. Okay, so watch carefully. Here is a symbol, click on it. Now our keyframe is added. Go to the part where you have to zoom in. Now add another keyframe. And do zoom how much you want. And add the next clip of transition. Another keyframe for zooming at perfect timing. Little zoom out at first keyframe. Always remember that your first keyframe and second keyframe wanna be same and the third one zoomed. All done now, you can export your file.